Okay, it's 7 p.m. on July 31st. We're just taking off. Taking pictures of the Overlook Hotel. There's the mountains out in all its beauty. Incredible. Working our way up to the PCT. Okay, it is 9:58, so almost 10 o'clock. Amelia just filtered some water with her new water filter. She loves
Glacier
it.
Water.
She's set up over there. I'm set up over here. We just sent a message to Mom. Sorry, Mom, we're late. haven't heard back from you yet, but I'm gonna tie up the bear bag somewhere around here. We got people all around us. Well, a few hundred yards away from us. We're up in Paradise Meadows. You can't even see that. It's Mount Hood. You'll see it in the morning. And that's it. Actually, yeah. I don't think we're going to see much of anything. But we have a moon. And I think that is it. I'm going to try to do a night photo. It's about 7:30 in the morning. 7:46 on August 1st. That's our camp down there, 2 tents right on the margin of the meadow there. And we got some neighbors. You can hear we got another neighbor behind me with a dog. Another neighbor up there. There's Mount Hood. Starting off with a cloudy morning here and very mild though, probably upper 50s. And we got here last night in the dark, so I'm just kind of snooping around here to see what things look like. Having a cup of coffee. You know, we saw the light coming from that tent last night. We were contemplating whether we should continue on. It would have required dropping down into this ravine and then going back up again that way and continuing on. So I'm glad we stayed on this side for now, but we're heading that direction to explore that part of the park, and then we are going to Ramona Falls. At least that's the plan. And first time here, first time seeing this without fog. It's very popular. Not surprised. The trees are incredible. Massive. Wow, we are way down there. We camped way down there in Paradise Park.
You can see it.
Now, Bachelor. I think we can make out our tents. And Mount St. Helens here, right around this bluff. And then we're working our way through Paradise Park here, that direction. We're gonna see if we can make it over this ravine. So quiet. Actually, very good conditions for what we're doing here. We could be getting a beat down with the sun right now, so it's perfect.
Yeah, that would actually add another element.
Oh yeah. There's our camp
like
down there.
Sleeved. I think that would be good. Like the one you have, basically.
Yeah. I love these Patagonias. I'm sure they've got them for women too. I mean, they're awesome. Strong. So far, I've rubbed up against branches, and they are tough, and they dry out in an instant. It's the only shirt
you really need.
It is. Yeah, there's a sweet camp right there. Pretty nice view of the mountain, stream.
I think there was someone staying there.
There was somebody there. Oh yeah, they were the people
dog.
with the dog.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's pretty nice. Huh, I have to remember that one.
Yeah.
And that is one of the ones that's marked on the Gaia map. So there's that one, and then there's one on the other side, I think up there. Those are already marked.
Wi-Fi.
Alright, it's the Sandy River. I'll try to find a place to cross here. So we did make it to Ramona Falls, but did not take any photos or video. As usual, it's a very popular day hike destination. There were probably 50 people there. So we enjoyed the falls, took a little bit of a break, turned around, and went right back over the Sandy River, southbound, heading toward our camp at Paradise Loop. As I watched my daughter make it across those logs nervously. She did great. To say it is an absolute knackering going from Paradise Park down to Ramona Falls and back. I didn't take into consideration the topo closely enough. It's probably only 12 miles round trip, but you drop down almost 3,000 feet down to Ramona Falls to get back. So it was quite a good afternoon hike for us. But you know, we enjoyed it. Got to see a lot of different ecosystems in that part of the wilderness area, and but we were definitely knackered when we got back to camp. Hey, honey.
Do you have hand sanitizer?
Yeah. There we are.
Oh.
Did the walk into the camp from
Didn't
the
know
spur
you were
trap.
leaving.
Yeah, just so. Oh, and there's our view. Amazing. Oh, what a trip. 15 miles, something like that. I don't know, something like that. Alright, so we arrived back at Timberline Lodge about midday. Successful hike. 2 nights. Got some great moon shots on this one with my GoPro Hero Black. Got some Milky Way action there despite the moon, once the moon went down. She got a great spot there in the meadow. And this is a tributary into the Sandy River. Just the weather was just perfect the whole time we were there. Bugs weren't bad at all. In our last night there, we had a terrific moon. Not a cloud in the sky. That's moonlight right there. Night shot with the GoPro, and that is moonlight actually on hood. And of course, next morning